Hey there, I'm Jennifer Jolly in Las Vegas for CES 2023. There are some 12 football fields worth of gadgets and tech tools getting set up here today. Kind of the calm before the storm, which is the perfect way to start with something that caught my eye here last night. Since most of the country is dealing with epic winter storms right about now, it's this gadget right here. It's called the Geneverse Home Power 2 Pro Solar Generator. What's remarkable here? No fumes, no noise. You can use it indoors and it can power just about everything from lights and Wi-Fi to medical devices and even most appliances. It can even run your refrigerator for 35 hours on a single charge, and then you can charge it back up with solar panels for truly sustainable energy. This is actually available now. This little tiny baby plant right here, this is the Neo P1. Apparently, some 20 scientists have been working on this for a long time now, bioengineering it to contain and destroy some of the most dangerous pollutants. Is this a super plant with superpowers?
We're working on the first generation of plants that are bioengineered to fight air pollution. Our plants are able not only to capture more efficiently, but to recycle pollutants that you can find in the air.
How have you bioengineered a plant to do all these miraculous things?
It has pieces of DNA inside of them that we took from other organisms within nature that are able to use these pollutants as a carbon source. Really small bacteria, these bacteria evolve rapidly. The little pieces of DNA, we optimize them for the plant and insert them inside the plant. So the plant is just a fully normal plant, but has these little tiny pieces of DNA that adds this function, these characteristics that enables them to clean the air.
Have you ever wondered what it would be like to talk with your dog, or at least let your dog be able to communicate with you in a way you understand? I mean, they understand pretty much everything that we say, but do you always understand them? Watch this. Ducky, what this? Show me, what this?
Ball.
Yes!
Oh, girl.
This is the Fluent Pet Connect, a button-based communication system for pets and the people who love them.
This allows them to learn what each word means to us, improving relationships all around.
With Fluent Pet Connect, we get to track every button press, and people can see the evolution of their dog's learning. If they're at the office, they can see when their dog wants to go outside. And from a scientific perspective, we can see how they're progressing as well.
This is Dog-E, Dog-E, a brand new robot dog from a company called Wowie. It can do millions of different tricks. And it's embedded with sensors. There's sensor in the nose, sensor in the tongue, sensors on the feet, on the head, on the back. You can also use an app and teach it all kinds of new tricks. It's really amazing, and it comes out September 2023 for less than $80. Can you say Toy of the Year? I'm predicting it right now. He likes that too. Nourished and Neutrogena Skin 360 Skin Stacks show off the very latest in digital health and beauty tech. It is the first on-demand 3D printed personalized skin health supplement. It's kind of like something out of the Jetsons. You use an app to assess your skin via selfie, answer a few questions, then let the AI work its magic. Get customized gummies that help your skin from the inside out. This came out yesterday, runs about $50 for a month's supply. I have so many more things to tell you about that I've been hands-on with. I'll get to all of that very soon. Until then, be sure to come back to the tech section at usatoday.com for all the team coverage going on here from CES 2023.